best breakfast. For bulking, Hardgainers. This is actually my 3 favorite type of breakfasts for putting on good size, especially getting your calories up in the morning. This first breakfast might be different for you, but I want you to know why, and here are the benefits. Alright guys, we're going to do a 6-ounce salmon. We're going to do 3 packets of oatmeal, so it's about a cup of oatmeal, and we're going to do a banana. So what I was getting to is the fish in the morning is going to be different, but there's a lot of benefits out of it, and we are looking to get in a good type of protein, something your body is going to utilize throughout the day. There's a lot of healthy fats in there and a lot more benefits out of it. And the calories we're getting in, we're just not getting any kind of calories, we're getting good quality calories. So that's the name of the goal. We're looking at about, I believe, you'll see it on the screen right here. We're getting total 832 calories in, and protein alone from the salmon is we're getting 34 grams of protein and 21 grams of fat. So that's healthy fat that your body needs. Alright, I know you're trying to get calories in, but remember, you want to stick to good quality calories like you're seeing right here. I'm eating salmon, I'm eating some oatmeal, good complex carbohydrate. Your body is going to be able to utilize that. It's going to take your body longer to break that type of carbohydrate down, and there's more out of that your body's going to get. And same with the banana. Banana is a natural fruit. You're going to get a lot of you're getting at least 30-some grams of carbs out of that banana. But these are good quality calories. Remember, your goal is to put on muscle, not just weight in general. So I know you're being skinny and it's rough. Trust me, I've been there. But you just don't want to put in any other any calories. Don't get so calorie heavy. Focus on the quality food, the food that's been on earth for a very long time. That's where you're going to put on more muscle than fat. You don't want to put on fat. You know, anybody could go out there, eat a ton of calories and gain weight, but is that weight more fat or is that muscle? So you have to determine what you're trying to go for. Are you just trying to put on weight and not care? Then you're going to determine that. So eating good quality food, remember, you're going to put more muscle on than fat. Eat if you are eating in caloric surplus. Alright, my dudes, breakfast 1 done. Again, salmon. Try having some kind of fish for breakfast. A good complex carbohydrate, your oatmeal. Something that isn't man-made. I want you to think about this. If you're trying to put on muscle, you're not going to put on muscle if your body's inflamed. So if you're putting in food that's going to cause inflammation, you're not going to put on muscle. So eating good quality food, healthy food, is going to keep inflammation low, and your body's going to be able to put on muscle. But if your body is inflamed, your body's going to try to take care of that first before it does anything else. So again, this is, guys, one of my breakfasts, number 1, and we got 2 more to go. Alright, next breakfast, we're going to do 3 eggs. We're going to do 2 slices of Ezekiel bread, and we're gonna do a banana, and we're gonna do a protein shake to top it off. Now this bread that we're having, it's not a white bread. It's not a whole wheat bread. It's more of a sprouted bread, super good. So it's a complex carbohydrate. Again, complex carbohydrates are gonna allow you to be full longer. Your body's gonna take longer to break them down, and you're gonna have energy for a longer period of time instead of a simple carb. You know, you get a spike in your insulin right away. You're not gonna be full too long. And again, we're not trying to get all calorie happy. This meal, with everything I just said, let me look on MyFitnessPal, and again, I'm gonna have the calories right here from MyFitnessPal. So total calories, we're doing 563 calories, but these are good quality calories. Again, you don't want to rely on a shake, but sometimes I'll throw one in there just to get more protein in. And again, when it comes to eating eggs, you don't want to be eating eggs every single day because they are they will give you a food allergy if you eat them nonstop and you don't rotate it out of your diet. I gave myself a food allergy to eggs a long time ago, and now I'm just starting to incorporate them again, but I don't eat them all the time, so that's okay. Again, your body adapts to what you eat, so you want to constantly be aware of rotating your food every week. Same with your workouts. You want to rotate your workouts every week, or not every week, but every 3 to 4 weeks, because your body adapts. So let's get this going. Dudes, we're on number 3, third best breakfast that I love to utilize throughout dieting, no matter the goal. This is one of them that you could utilize, and it tastes really good. I would say it's probably a little bit on the processed side, so don't eat this every day, but when you want to eat this, enjoy it, and just keep working hard. So let's get right to it. Alright, my dudes, this is going to be it, the last one, and we're looking at for this one, for total calories, about 5. I'll put it right here too, on MyFitnessPal. It's going to be right here. We're looking at a total of 527 calories, and we're looking at total protein about 41 grams, which is close to 50 grams total, which is good. Remember too, if you're trying to put on muscle, you want to make sure that you're eating at least 35% or 40% of your diet should be protein. So remember that. You could take that for advantage and not get enough protein in. So you want to make sure you're getting enough protein in. That's going to allow you to grow even if you're in a deficit. I honestly put on, like I told you, I put on a pound of muscle eating a little deficit just because my protein was up there. So you could get like that. And remember too, make sure utilize MyFitnessPal. Again, it's going to allow you to see if you're going in the right direction. Are you eating enough towards that goal? If your goal is to put on size, right? You came to this video to find out what are the best 3 foods for breakfast for bulking. So these are my favorite 3, and you're gonna get a lot out of it. Alright, what up my dudes? That is the end of the video. My top 3 breakfasts that I love to utilize when I'm dieting, especially when I'm bulking. Have fun with this, and remember, track your food, because that's going to only allow you to see if you're going in that right direction, if you're eating enough. And remember, make sure you up your calories when you start getting hungrier and hungrier, as long as you're being consistent. So when you do up your calories, up it by like 200 calories, 300 calories, nothing crazy. You want to make sure that you're gradually increasing your food, and you're able to take down all that food too when you do increase your calories. So again, I hope this video helped. Make sure you do leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you stay tuned for more weekly videos from me. Again, I'm Nick Andretti, here to help you build that confidence through all things fitness, mindset, and of course some swagoo. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.